Okay, for the next example, we will have the question which is improper. Okay, look at this question. Find the partial fraction decomposition of this fraction. So if you look at the leading term, you will have 4x cubed for the numerator and 2x cubed for the denominator. So you have 4x cubed over by 2x cubed. So n is equal to m right now. 3 is equal to 3. So this one considered as improper function. So what happens if you have improper? Convert to proper using the long division method. Okay. So just write the question divided by the denominator. So what is the expression? If you multiply with 2x cubed, you get 4x cubed. So your answer will be 2. So put it here. 2 times 2x cubed is 2 times 2x cubed is 4x cubed. 2 times negative x squared is negative 2x squared. And then plus 2 times 8x is 16x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then minus. So you have 4x cubed minus 4x cubed, 0. Negative x squared minus negative 2x squared is x squared. 15x minus 16x is minus x. Negative 29 minus negative 8 is negative 21. Okay. So how to write your answer? You have this one as your question. So madam just copy this one. Is equal to the quotient, which is 2, plus the remainder. This is your remainder. This is the answer for your Rx, remainder. So you have x squared minus x minus 21 over by your divisor just now. 2x cubed minus x squared plus 8x minus by 4. Okay. So this is we call as the proper fraction. Why proper? Because the highest degree for the numerator 2 is less than the highest degree for your denominator. So this is proper function. So every time you perform the long division, you will have proper function for this fraction. So just focus on this one. Just focus on this fraction. And then continue with step number 2, which is factorize denominator. So what is your denominator? 2x cubed minus x squared plus 8x minus 4. So how to factorize this one? This is cubic, so you cannot just use your method. So what is the method? You can try out factoring by grouping. Remember factoring by grouping? Let's say this is your first group. And then this is your second group. Okay. So for the first group, 2x cubed minus x squared. You can factor out x squared. So inside will be 2x minus 1. And then 8x minus 4, you can factor out 4. So inside will be 2x minus 1 also. So you have the same thing in your bracket form. And then you can factor further. X squared plus 4. 2x minus 1. Okay, I just factor these things out because you have the same term. Okay, so next step is apply the rule. So which rule to apply? This is x squared plus 1. Can you factor further this one? Cannot. This is x squared plus 1. If you use your calculator, it becomes roots. Okay, so you cannot factor further. So this one considered as the reducible quadratic. And then this is linear. So irreducible and linear, which rule? And rule C is quadratic. So how many that you want to decompose? 2 only. So you have over by x squared plus 4. And then the second fraction is over by 2x minus 1. So what is your numerator? This is quadratic. So your numerator will be linear. So you will have ax plus b. And then the second fraction is constant only, which is c. Okay, so how to solve this fraction equation? You just multiply with the LCD. What is LCD? The least common denominator. So the least common denominator is always, you can just refer to your left hand side. So you have these two factored form. So just multiply with that too. X squared plus 4 and also 2x minus 1. Okay. So solve this whole equation. Left side, if you multiply with x squared plus 4 to x minus 1, you can cancel out with your denominator parts. So you have only your numerator, which is x squared minus x minus 21. Okay. Then, for the right hand side, this fraction multiply with this whole LCD. So you have x squared plus 4 and x squared plus 4. So cancel out that one. So you left only with the expression ax plus b times 2x minus 1. Okay. That is for the first part. And then for the second part, you multiply this term, this fraction, with the LCD also. So 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 you can cancel out. So left only with c x squared plus 4. Okay. This is the equation after you eliminate the denominator. So which method to use? Okay, let's say madam show the first method, which is by using elimination method. Okay. So by using elimination method, you choose your x value. Usually your x is, you can let x with the values of your roots. Okay. But for this question, you have only one real root, which is 1/2. This one is complex roots. Okay. So you have only one root, but you have 3 value to find, a, b and c. So you need another x value. So let's start with this one first. X equal to half. Okay. So we let x equal to half first, which is the first zeros. So substitute this equation with half. So starting from the left side. So the left side will be half square minus half minus 21. For the left side equal to, for the right side, half times a is half, half times a is half a. So you will have a over by 2 plus half times 2 minus 1. Half times 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you have 0 here. This is 0. Plus c half squared plus 4. This is half squared plus 4. Okay. Just substitute all these x value. Make sure all these x value you substitute with half. So simplify the left side. Half squared is 1/4 minus 1/2 is 5. 85 over by 4 equal to, this one will be 0. 0 multiplied with any number will be 0. Plus 1/2 squared plus 4 multiplied with c. So this one just find the value using your calculator, you will have 17 over by 4 C. And then calculate the C value. C will be -5. So you have one of the answer, which is the unknown C. Okay, so you need to find two more unknown, which is A and also B. Okay, you need to choose any of the number to find the unknown A and B. Okay, so what is the number? Because you cannot use the roots, because you have only one real root. This is complex roots. So just let x with any numbers. Let's say Madam let x as 0. Okay, so you substitute x with 0 for the left side. So 0 multiplied with 0 multiplied with -21 is -21 equal to 0 plus b is b. 0 minus 1 is -1. So this is b -1 plus c. 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay, so solve for this one. -21 equal to -b plus 4c. So just now you have c equal to -5. Just substitute c here with -5. So you will have b is equal to 4 times -5 is -20 plus 21. So b value will be 1. So you have another one unknown, which is b. So how to find a? Just let x with any numbers. So let's say we let x with 1, for example. X can be any number, any numbers. So this one, Madam highlight first. This is x equal to half, x equal to 0, and then this is x equal to 1. So just substitute all the x value with 1. Okay, all the x values with 1. So starting from 1 square. 1 square is 1. So Madam just write as 1. Minus 1 minus 21 equal to, you have a x plus b. X will be 1. So a plus b. And then 2x minus 1. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Plus c. X squared plus 1. X squared plus 4. So 1 plus 4. Okay, so solve for this one. 1 minus 1, 0. This is minus 21. A plus b. And then plus 5c. And then substitute with the b and c value that you have just now. B is 1. C is -5. So 5 times -5. This is -21. So A will be equal to -21 minus 1 plus 25, which is 3. So you have another one of the unknown, which is A equal to 3. Okay, so how to write your last answer? So let's look at the question back. The original question. This is your original question. So Madam just copy this one first. The original question. But this is improper, right? So what is the proper fraction just now? The proper fraction is this one. Okay. This is the proper fraction. Alright. Okay. So this is your question for the left side, original question. And then this is your after you But this fraction that you further decompose. Okay. So what is the decomposition just now? Just copy back the decomposition. You have this one. This is the decomposition. So just copy this one, decomposition. And then just copy back the quotient to, that is your complete answer. Okay. So A, B and C, substitute with the value that you have just now. What is A? A is 3, B is 1. So you will have, madam just cancel out all the A, B, C. So just write A is 3. So you have 3x plus 1. And then your C will be 5. So this is minus 5. Minus 5. Okay. This is your final answer. Make sure your final answer you have to write also with the quotient that you get from the long division, because the things that you decompose is only the fraction. So this is the partial fraction. Partial fraction. Okay. That is by using the first method, which is elimination method. If you want to use the comparing coefficient, okay, madam show you both method. But this one, madam just explain. Okay, starting from this one, this is after you eliminate the span, the whole thing at your right. So AX times 2, okay? And then plus AX squared plus 4C. And you just combine what is the coefficient for X squared. You have these two, 2A plus C. What is the coefficient for X? You have also these two, negative A plus 2B. And then this is your constant coefficient, which is 4C minus B. So you coefficient for X squared is 1 equal to 2A plus C. For X power of 1, negative 1 equal to negative A plus 2B. For the constant, negative 21 equal to 4C minus B. So you have equation 1, 2 and 3. So your aim is to find unknown ABC. So just use simultaneous equation. This one is up to you how to find all the ABC value. This is madam's method from equation 1 here. You arrange to find C. So C will be 1 minus 2A. And then madam use substitution method. So substitute C equation. Okay. So this is your C that you substitute with 1 minus 2A. And then you have only unknown A. You still have A and B. So B is equal to 25 minus 8A. Again into the second equation. Okay. So this one just use simultaneous equation. And then after you substitute into the second equation, this is your B just now, equal to 25 minus 8A. So left only with the unknown A. So you can find A, which is 3. Once you find A, you can find C from the first equation just now. So 1 minus 2 times 3 is 6. So C will be negative 5. And then substitute in the second equation to get B. So make sure the same value of A, B, C, even though you are using the different method. So at last also you will have the same answer for the partial fraction decomposition. Okay, thank you.